let's say that you are happy with how the build came out and they're happy, they want to pay you, and you're just like, okay, how do I actually deploy this on their website? Well, really simple. You go here, you go to create a sub account. Well, if you have the regular plan, then you do it for the one client to create one sub account. But when you have unlimited ones, then you'll create the unlimited ones. So you can say client, just give it a name, client, demo client, SMD demo client. All right, so this is actually, now you're going to be able to deploy it. You go to SMD demo client right here, and what should pop up is this right here. This is going to be a dashboard. And from this dashboard, this is also where you're going to be able to see all of what's going on with the chatbot, the number of conversations it had, the total messages had, the average response it has, and the active agents that you have deployed. And of course, your client will be able to see this as well, because in the team section, if you go here, you'll be able to invite them. So whatever their email address is so and so such and such at gmail.com. All right. So such and such at gmail.com. And then you save it and then you send that invite. They say yes. Now they can actually see as well. So you're both going to be able to have conversations on what is happening with your agent, and they'll be able to know how your agent is actually performing. And then you go right here. This is to deploy the agent, right? To actually deploy it to their own website, give the agent a name. We call it SMD. Then we'll call it Mandy. I like Mandy. We do integration. Now this is where you're going to say what type of integration, your SMS, text messaging, or website. We're going to just pick the website widget one. And now you just select the build that you actually worked off of. And now it says moving bot. And here you go. You have create agent. Now it's going to do its thing. And again, you'll have to play around with the configurations here, because before in the demo section, you were just making it that way. But again, you have to do the same things here. So you have to change the widget. You have to change the widget title. So it says, you could say S&D assistant, right? So S&D assistant, and the message that you wanted to have, the welcome message and all that other stuff. The delay time, you can change that again for when it wants to pop up. If you need any help, hi, their name, welcome. And again, you can change this anytime that you want, but at least you'll have it there. Now, once it's done and you're happy with the size, you can play with the width and everything else like that. Once you're happy with it, you save settings, and then you just press deploy widget. And now you have the exact snippet that you will want to take and you want to put on your client's website, so that the AI widget will be there and ready, doing its thing, selling 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And, this is what you need to do from start to finish. So I hope you got value from this. I hope you were able to see, the full picture of, building the agent from scratch, and then now having the ability to deploy this agent by literally just adding this piece of code onto your client's website. That's it for this video, and I look forward to showing you more. We're going to really get into some other cool stuff as far as marketing, as far as how to get out there, how to get in front of more clients, how to get in front of more prospects, how to sell this, and really start making money with this business. All right, that's it. See you on the next video. Take care.